Kasi ho, sir, yung mga binabanggit na number 1,000, 5,000 na nahuli, yan po, sir, ang tawag sa linggo na yan ay mga piyait. Yan yung mga binabangketa, yan yung mga hampas lupa ng mga mananaya na nahuli na nagtataya ng 5 piso, 10 piso. Meron ka na bang nalalaman o wala pang nababalita na may nahuli na administrator, operator ng illegal gambling? Wala pa, Mr. Chair. And hindi nakapagtataka because yung operator, yung mga management, itinatago yun. Yung hinuhuli lagi ng mga otoridad natin, yung mga nagtataya sa lupa, yung mga 10 piso, 15 pesos, 20 tong each. Pero yung mga management, yung mga leader, yung mga financier, yung mga protector, hindi nakukulong. Wala naman na i-report, Mr. Chair, di ba? Kaya tingin tuloy ng tao, moro-moro lagi itong investigasyon natin because nothing is happening for the longest time. Wala pong nakukulong. May nakulong na po ba na gobernador? May nakulong na po ba na mayor? May nakulong na ba konsehal? May nakulong na ba regional director, provincial director? Wala pa pong nakukulong, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
And that is a big challenge for the PNP who are enforcing the law.
Mr.
Congressman Richard Gomez, you are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, personally, it would be demeaning to say that this committee, more so this House, has not accomplished anything in investigation similar to what we are doing here. Not all elected government officials are guilty of illegal gambling. May mga gagong government officials, meron din mga gago rin sa service, but not all. We cannot say that to everyone, Mr. Chair. Ako, nag-mayor ako. Pinasara ko yung dalawang sabungan sa amin. Pinahuli ko yun. Pero, but sorry to say, but hindi ho lahat ng government officials wala nagagawa. At saka itong house na to, wala na-accomplish. So what we need to do is really to push the PNP to enforce yung trabaho nila, the CIDG, the regional directors, gawin nila yung trabaho nila. All of us, we need to do our share.
So, Congressman Erwin Tulfo, you have the floor.
Mr. Chair, I just want to clarify. I did not say that everybody, local government officials, elected officials, are involved in illegal gambling. My point is, my question was, may nakulong na po ba na mayor or na gobernador na nasasakupan niya yung kanyang lugar na may illegal gambling? Wala pa po eh. Well, congratulations po sa mga LGU natin na mga mayor, gobernador, na congressman na wala pong illegal gambling sa kanilang lugar because meron po silang political will. It's called political will, ladies and gentlemen. If you really don't want it, then it won't happen if you're the mayor. I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, I haven't been a mayor or a governor, but I was in the media before, but I know what's going on. If you are the governor or the mayor, you're the father of the province, you are the father of the city. If you said no, then it is no. Kasi po, pag sinabi ho ng mayor ni governor, ayoko ng illegal, hindi. Pero may mga instances naman na tinatrabaho or pinapayagan naman ng PNP, ng chief of police natin, or hanggang sa provincial director o hanggang sa regional director na hindi rin alam ng LGU natin. Yun ho minsan nagkakaproblema. Pero kung talagang rampant ang illegal gambling, siguro dito sa Region 4 na sinasabi ho ninyo, siguro may basbas ho yun ng mayor, may basbas ho ng gobernador, alam ho ni RD, hindi naman makapalag si RD, or yung PD, kasi baka matransfer si PD, sabi ni gobernador, palayasin mo ito chief PNP, o kuan, kailangan palitan ito DILG dahil hindi sumusunod sa akin. So natatakot. Let us all understand na itong mga puliso na ito ay administratively are still under with the power of the mayor, the governor. So susunod ho yan. Pero pag sinabi ho ni mayor, I don't like it, I don't want it, walang sugalan. Marami naman ho mga cities and provinces sa Pilipinas na wala pong sugalan because ayaw po ng mayor, ayaw po ng governor. Okay? Pag ayawan ho ng governor, mayor ho yan, wala ho yan. Titigil ho yan. Trust me, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
And I agree with that, no? And as a matter of fact, sa Republic Act 9278, Rule 5, Section 16, the participation of barangay official, city and municipal mayors, governors, and non-governmental organization, people organization, consistent with existing laws, all local government unit officials are enjoined to ensure the strict implementation of this law. Any local government unit official in whose jurisdiction a gambling house is found, or who with knowledge of the existence of a gambling house or place in his jurisdiction fails to abate the same or take any action in connection therewith shall be dealt with criminally and administratively. Governors and mayors upon their automatic deputation as representative of the National Police Commission in their jurisdiction through their election and qualification shall direct the employment and deployment of the PNP that will guarantee and ensure the proper implementation of this law against illegal number games. Ang tanong, uma-action ba ang PNP at ang ating mga local government unit?
Mr. Chair, I would like to support the statement of Congressman Tulfo because I was once a city director of a certain city in Mindanao. And I was once a three-term mayors in Iligan City. Totoo po yung sinasabi ni Congressman Tulfo na kung hindi papayagan sa isang politiko, mayors, governors at that, ay hindi talaga magagalaw yung mga illegal gambling operators. Kasi sa pulis, kung hindi ka papayag sa gusto ng politiko, tapos pupunta pa sa regional director, immediately gagawan ka ng order na iparilib ka sa posisyon mo. Lalo na rin yung, Mr. Chair, yung hindi pa nakaabot ng 6 months, masisira yung career pattern nila. So dito, kailangan may tandem talaga ang city director, provincial director, mayors or governors. Kasi kung hindi ma-relieve, gawan man ng paraan. Alam yan ni General Francisco na pag hindi ma-relieve ng matiwasay, gagawa ng derogatory records yung certain city director, provincial director. Kung sino pa yung gagawa ng kabutihan, yun pa ang hahabulin. So, pag hindi ito Mr. Chair, na ang mga politiko at saka PNP ay hindi mag-uusap-usap, ay hindi talaga ito may stop, lalo na sa ground. Ang mayors naman, I was once a mayor. Kung during the time of Peace and Order Council meeting, magbigay ka ng instruction doon sa mga pulis mo na director. Ito ang gusto ko, huhulihin mo lahat yung mga illegal gambling operators. So, magawa yan. Lalo na kung may suporta sa confidential fund or sa intelligence fund. So, kayang-kaya yan. Ang naman dyan, ang kinatakutan sa mga city director, provincial director, is ma-relieve sila dahil gagawa ng derogatory records papunta sa taas. Automatically, aaksyonan yung governors or mayors dahil medyo mas malakas ang politiko kaysa isang provincial director na ang rango ay full colonel, city director at that. Ay kung mamalasin pa, pati pa ang regional director, ma-relieve pa. So, ganun ang nakikita kong problema doon sa ground, Mr. Chair. That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Yes,